Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to my English class. Today I am going to discuss agreement of verbs. But today basically I am going to emphasize on collective nouns. Okay? If the subject of a sentence is collective noun, what will be the verb? Singular or plural, right? That is going to be the main content of my discussion today. So, if you are really interested in improving the level of your English language, then please watch the video till the end. Okay? So now, without wasting a minute, let's dive in the topic. First, we have to understand what is the definition of collective nouns, right? So, always remember, collective nouns are those nouns which represent a class or group. Understood? Let me repeat once again. What is the definition of collective nouns? Collective nouns are those nouns which represent a class or group. Understood? For example, class, team, audience. Understood? Well, so now look at the board. Here I am going to discuss what will be the verb if the subject is collective nouns. Okay. So there are basic two rules I am going to discuss here. First rule is if any class, group or team works together, then verb will always be singular. Understood? I am repeating again. If any class, group or team works together, then verb will always be singular. Okay? And rule number 2, second rule is if all the members of the group or class work individually. Understood? So, collective nouns are plural when the members of the group or class work individually. Then verb will always be plural. Understood? Let me give you some examples to make you understand. Look at the sentence I have written. The class has its final exam on Monday. Okay? The class has its final exam on Monday. Okay? So what is happening here? The class is subject, right? The class is subject and it is collective nouns. Here all the students in the class is working together. Understood? So that's why verb is singular, right? And I am sure everybody knows that for singular verb has and for plural verb have, right? So the class has its final exam on Monday. Okay? Now let's come to the second sentence. The class are working their project individually. The class are working their project individually. Now you can ask me why for the first example I have used singular verb and why for the second sentence I have used plural verb, right? So that is exactly I am going to teach you. Look at the sentence. The class are working their project individually. So what I told you just a few minutes ago. If the members of the group or students of the class work individually, then verb will always be plural. Okay? So the class is subject here, collective nouns. Right, and here there is also mentioned, so it means it is talking about that all the students of the class are working individually, they are not working together, so that's why verb is plural. Are understood? Well, sure, I hope you all have got my points very clearly, and please do work hard. Okay, please do take action. Many times I suggest to all my students and all learners who are really interested in improving their skill. So if you are also interested in improving your skill, please take action. Until or unless you take action, you will not get any result. Okay? So please do work hard. Right? Keep studying, keep learning and keep growing in your life. Okay? I have to stop here and I will be back very soon. Goodbye.